Hey you guys, on today's episode we're going to be making 6 different keto popsicles. I got the inspiration for this video by looking at a bunch of photos on Instagram and I saw that there were so many pretty ones, so I had to make one. So if you guys want to find out which one not only looked good but also tasted good, then keep on watching. I made this video for you guys because I know what it's like to try out a recipe and have to end up throwing away a bag of Swerve. It's not fun, it's expensive, so let me throw away my bag of Swerve for you and learn from my mistakes, or don't learn from them. Just be better, do better than me. Before I start this video, I should let you guys know that I kind of didn't think this video through, and I only bought one popsicle mold to make 6 different popsicles. So if you see me in the video stuffing 2 flavors in one popsicle mold, just yeah. So the recipes that we're going to be making today belong to the creators Keto Connect, All Day I Dream About Food, Nom Nom Yum, Keto Diet App, and Joy Filled Eats. So the first recipe we're going to make is a blueberry lemon cheesecake popsicle. The thing I didn't realize when I chose this recipe was that it takes 6 hours for it to get hard, and it actually suggests to leave it overnight, which wouldn't have been a problem except for the fact that I still had 5 popsicles to go and 1 mold. Okay, so the next recipe we're gonna make is a chocolate peanut butter popsicle. For those that are looking for a peanut butter brand that is low in carbs, this is the one that I use from Walmart. I definitely chose this one because it reminded me of a Snicker. And the only mental note I had to make for myself when I was making this recipe was to make sure that the cream cheese was at room temperature. I always forget to do it and I always end up with a chunky recipe. So the next recipe we're making is a basic chocolate popsicle. It was when I saw this photo on Instagram that it inspired me to actually make this video because of how pretty it was. I had to find out what other pretty popsicles were out there. By the way, if you're looking for a cocoa powder that's like low in carbs, this is the one that I use. I got it from my local Walmart. Yeah, it's like the best tasting one I found. I cannot do that raw cacao. What I didn't realize when picking this recipe was that it was made with coconut cream. I'm not a really big fan of coconut, but she pinky swears in her blog that it doesn't taste like coconut. So we're gonna find out if that's actually true today. And one thing I'll note, she did mention something about xanthan gum. She mentions that if you actually pack it too tightly, you're gonna end up with gummy popsicles. So that's one special note I made sure to take in, because yeah, I don't want to have gummy popsicles. I just want regular ones. So the next recipe we're making is a Neapolitan one. And I'll let you know right now, I made this recipe 10 times harder than it had to be. So let me walk you through my mistake. So I had to make this white mixture, which was going to be the white section of the popsicle. And as I read the recipe, it said use half the mixture into the strawberries, and then use half the mixtures into the chocolate. And then I realized I had no half of mixture for the white part. So I ended up having to scramble to make more of the white mixture. So I was trying to figure out how to make that thick. And then I realized that I could not figure this out because I suck at cooking and baking and freezing. And basically what I had to do was pour the strawberry part first, pour all the other flavors onto it, which as you already know, I'm already struggling with one mold, so this was just a fun mistake. So the next recipe we're making is a cookie dough ice cream one. And when I chose this recipe, I was so happy to see that she offered so many alternatives to the recipe ingredients. One of the ingredients that I didn't even know existed was vanilla powder, and she didn't have an alternative for that one, so I ended up having to Google search to find out what the equivalent of vanilla powder to extract. Also, don't mind the chunkiness of the recipe. I made that fun mistake of prepping the ingredients way before the mold was available to like fill, and I ended up having to put this in the refrigerator, and it's during that time that it chunked up. Alright, so next up is the cinnamon roll with a cheesecake icing ice cream. And when I chose this recipe, I knew I was gonna have to make a few adjustments. One, I didn't have the stevia erythritol xylitol blend that she uses. I only have Swerve, so I just doubled the Swerve because apparently that blend that she has is like super sweet, so it has to be comparable. And then she also includes glycerin as one of the recipe ingredients, but I peeped the comments and they said that you could sub for vodka, and I'm okay with buying vodka. So that's it. This is the final product. If you want to find out which one looked and tasted good, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna review 6 different keto ice creams. We're gonna do the first one. And the first thing I'm gonna tell you about this one is that it's made with coconut milk. Do you like coconut?
Not really.
Okay, I don't like coconut, but she claims that you can't taste the coconut.
Okay. I recently made something of coconut, so we'll see.
Okay, so we're gonna try it, and it's the all chocolate fudge popsicle one. That's the one you want to try. Okay, so
I'm ready for her. Is it this one?
Is it the all chocolate one? Yeah, that one. That's it. Okay.
Oh. Oh, hold on. I can't.
I can still taste the coconut.
I can, but it's not overpowering to where I can't taste the chocolate. Like, it's not like a weird.
I know what you mean.
It's really like smooth. Like, it's just there.
I think because chocolate is usually very bitter, and the coconut and the bitterness of the chocolate makes this. So this one's good.
This reminds me of an Almond Joy.
Yeah, I've never had one.
They're so good. They have coconut.
Really?
I think I just said I don't like coconut.
Oh,
I lied.
Oh, the next one is my favorite. I like tasted the batter and I was like, this one's gonna love her. Oh, okay. I know you're the cheesecake queen.
Thanks.
But I have to know your thoughts on this cheesecake blueberry lemon popsicle.
Ooh, okay.
Mine's all broken.
Love that. I like her.
I like it a lot, actually.
This one is really good.
This one took forever.
Like, all the flavors just kind of go together.
Do you like them? I love them.
But I was kind of, so with like a lot of the recipes, I'm kind of scared because the lemon sometimes like is really, really tangy. This one is really good. She's very refreshing.
This one was like minimum 6 hours to freeze, but preferably overnight. I did 6 hours, it did not freeze.
She was worth it.
Okay, so this next one is like a Snicker popsicle, which you already know that means it's peanut butter. You don't like peanut butter. I literally just asked you right now if you like peanut butter. You don't. Okay, so let's.
But I love Snickers.
Okay, well, we're gonna try it, and then tell me what you think.
I'm sorry if I vomit.
Oh my God. Wait, so like on what range do you not like peanut butter?
I don't know. So recently I made some fat bombs. And they have peanut butter. And I ate those for like a whole last week. Like for no reason.
Oh
like,
shit. But
I was like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like these are so filling.
I'm dead. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna try it. So it's gonna be the one with the chocolate covered.
Why is she two different colors?
Because it's peanut butter and then like a chocolate like coating on top.
Over? Okay.
So
It's very peanut butter.
yeah, it's very.
I can yeah, if I liked peanut butter a lot, I would say this one. It's very creamy.
No, I like it. It's fluffy. It's like
yeah.
whipped.
It's not, yeah.
Would you finish all of this?
I would, but only because it has chocolate over.
Oh, that's the only thing that's saving it.
This is good for somebody that likes peanut butter. I don't really care for it, but this, in this form, yes.
What don't you like about peanut butter?
It makes me thirsty.
Go.
It's very like,
yeah. I always think of that commercial with that dog where it's like,
yes,
yeah,
that
the whole time.
I'm the dog. The dog is me.
I'm dead. We're gonna do the cookie dough popsicle one, and we're gonna do the one. I don't like cookie dough popsicles. I don't like cookie dough.
Cookie
do you
dough?
like cookie dough?
I act like I do.
But
I act like I do, but I've never like actually had anything
no,
cookie
see,
dough.
I don't like. I like chocolate chip cookies.
Right. I love chocolate chip cookies, but like
cookie dough.
I don't know.
We're gonna try it.
We'll see.
The
Ooh,
heroes.
is this a chocolate?
Yeah,
chip?
chocolate chip cookie dough.
Oh. You know what she reminds me of?
What?
That protein cookie.
Which one? The first one?
Really? That first initial bite, definitely protein cookie.
Let's see it.
It's not too sweet, but it's sweet enough for you to get that sweet fix if you're feeling like you want something.
I put walnuts at the end of it.
Yeah. I'm like, I really like the chocolate chips in this. Yeah, because it adds like a crunch. Like I smell the chocolate chips, and I purposely bit into the chocolate chip. Okay. But it was like a really nice crunch.
Okay, cool. We're gonna do Neapolitan. I f this one up so bad.
Why?
You have this sour cream mixture. This sour cream mixture apparently is supposed to make the chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. The recipe said use half a cup and put it into your 1 cup of strawberries and make the mixture. Get another half a cup and make your chocolate mixture. I read use half the mixture to make chocolate.
Why did I know you were
Half the mixture to make strawberries. And I'm like, where do you get the vanilla from? And I look at it and I'm like, where did I fuck up? So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna recreate the vanilla. I did it. It worked. It came out fine. The chocolate came out fine. But then when I did the strawberry was all like liquidy. So
it's hard when you overbeat something like that.
So what I ended up having to do in the mold, I did the strawberry on top. I froze that.
I see.
I froze that, and then I was like, then I'll add the chocolate and the vanilla.
Right. So inside scoop, I hate Neapolitan or
Do you
however
really?
you say this ice cream. I hate it so much because I have a secret hate towards strawberry.
Really? Oh, so
but strawberry ice cream, like I love fresh strawberries, but not an ice cream. Like
really?
I will always get this because I know this is like a fan favorite, like at home. But I will purposefully like scoop out just like the chocolate for me.
Okay,
Like just the vanilla.
Yeah, I hate strawberry in general. I'm the same way. I don't like, even if we did get Neapolitan ice cream, I would always get vanilla and chocolate and I would leave strawberry out. I don't like strawberry like that.
I love pink, but like
no,
not
it isn't
strawberry.
But like, just try, go from the chocolate to the vanilla.
Separate. Ooh.
With the chocolate.
Yes. It's very creamy, actually. Whatever you did here, it's creamier than that.
Which one?
Like the chocolate flavor.
This one, this chocolate flavor, like I said, has sour cream. The other one has coconut milk.
Oh, that's true. Yeah,
I prefer this chocolate better than the other one because I don't like coconut milk because I can still taste a hint of coconut.
Yeah, this is very, very creamy.
But taste the strawberry though.
The vanilla is really good too. Yeah, the strawberry was very like soft as far as like when I bit into it. But also I would choose this Neapolitan popsicle over the tub. Only because that strawberry, when I get the tub, it tastes really artificial.
Oh, I know. Ugh.
It tastes like just sugar. Pink sugar. And this tastes like strawberry. Sweet strawberry. Like a licuado. That's what that tastes like.
Licuado.
That's what that tastes like.
Exactly what it is. So this recipe that we're going to try next is the cinnamon roll.
Ooh, cinnamon roll. Hold on.
So somebody told me, she's like, I need you to make an horchata one. And I was like, I can't make an horchata one because there's nothing out there like that. But I'm going to make a cinnamon roll one. And the cinnamon roll one has a cream cheese icing. So when you get to the middle of it, you're going to have like a burst of flavor. So I kind of need you to get all the way halfway in.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
I see what you want me to do.
Okay.
I like her.
I have a brain freeze.
Ooh. Oh. That's cinnamon.
Did you get the middle?
Oh, I actually like bit.
Oh.
That cinnamon is really good though. Like I recently discovered I really love cinnamon. Like I always knew I liked it.
That recipe was the one that had like the most sugar in it.
It was so good. Now I feel guilty.
Why? Because it's so good.
Because she had the, it had the most sugar, but it was really good.
Oh, it was so good. For me, it's cinnamon roll. That's the winner for me. Like, for sure is the winner for me. And then the blueberry one.
Yeah, that blueberry one was different.
I don't know, the chocolate and...
Yeah, I've made blueberry cheesecakes before, but I don't taste them, so I don't know what it tastes like.
You're just like, I know they're bomb.
I'm like, I know, they're just made with love.
Which, by the way, if you don't know, she has an Instagram dedicated to just cheesecakes. And I'm gonna post right here, like, your Instagram and
follow me, Amy with the cake. Yeah, so I've made a different, blueberry cheesecakes for people, but I've never tasted them. So I can't really say that I've tasted, like, a blueberry kind of cheesecake or even lime, because I don't put lime, but that one was really good.
Okay, so if you had to pick your top three.
The cookie dough, the blueberry, and this.
The chocolate one? That one gives me abuelita hot chocolate vibes.
Yes.
Okay.
That's why.
I was cooking it because you have to actually cook it. And I was like, this looks like hot chocolate, but like Mexican style.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
And that's actually why I say that one. Because it's really hard to do like a hot chocolate thing when it's like in my house. My mom only has that abuelita, and I'm like, I'm trying to be keto, but also like it's kind of cold.
I love that. Okay.
But that one's really good.
Okay, so cookie dough for you, cinnamon roll for me, and the second one is gonna be, what for you?
The blueberry.
The blueberry. I think that's my second one too.
Yeah.
And then your third one is
the chocolate.
The chocolate. I think mine's gonna be the peanut butter one though. I like the peanut butter.
I guess.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Which one are you guys gonna make? What idea do you want me to make a bunch of for the next video? Leave a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already.